If you're a bird, I'm a bird. Noel Cowley. Today I'm going to talk about my analysis of the theme of The Notebook, a very popular romantic movie based on the book of Nicholas Sparks. So I'm going to start with the summary of the movie, then I'm going to continue with the primary theme, the secondary theme, the third theme, some symbols in the movie, the film reviews, and the conclusion. So this is the story of Ali and Noah, two young lovers who met during the summer and ended up together after a separation of 14 years. The primary theme of the movie is that love conquers all. No matter how many things they had to go through, love always brought them together. Their different social class, the disagreement of Ali's parents, their 14 years of separation, and Ali's engagement to Lon, a rich man, were nothing compared to the love. When Ali read one of the 365 letters that Noah wrote to her, she knew the right decision was to stay with him. They got married and had a family. The secondary theme of the movie is to follow your heart. During 14 years, Ali was afraid to hurt her loved ones by going against the standards of her social class. When she realized Noah was the one, she finally decided to follow her heart. The third theme of the movie is to live without the fear of hurting others. Because of the fear, Ali almost gave up all she had with Noah. It took her a newspaper article about the renovation of the house that Noah always wanted to buy, to make her realize how much she loved him and that she couldn't marry Lon. She decided that nobody could decide for her happiness. In the movie, we can find many symbols. For example, the birds, they symbolize the two lovers. Just like the birds, Ali and Noah came back home where they truly belong, to be together just like 14 summers ago. And we have the house. It represents the love they have for each other and all their dreams. This classic romantic movie has been well received by the audience, and there are some reviews of the film to prove it. For example, Emilio Luna said, "A story about true love that makes you cry, the kind you don't forget." And Joe Baltic said, "The movie may be highly disposable, but the individual scenes of Gosling and McAdams just acting and just connecting are wonderful to watch." In conclusion, this movie showed that everything is possible with the power of real and true love between two persons, and that love shouldn't be stopped by the differences of each other. But do you really believe in it?